Want to learn how to make your videos mesmerizing with seamless loops? Let's dive into Capcut and I'll show you how to repeat any video clip as many times as you want. First, open Capcut and start a new project by tapping the New Project button. Now, import the video clip you want to loop from your camera roll or files. Tap on the circle on the corner of your desired video, then click Add at the bottom right. Once your clip is on the timeline, select it by tapping on it directly. You'll see a white border appear around the video. Next, look for the Copy button in the toolbar at the bottom of your screen. It usually looks like two overlapping squares. Tap the Copy button. You'll see that a duplicate of your video clip now sits right next to the original. Now, to create a longer loop, just repeat the copy and paste process as many times as you desire. Keep selecting the last video and tapping the Copy button to create extra clips. And that's it. You've successfully created a looped video using Capcut. Now, tap the arrow at the top right of your screen to export your new loop masterpiece and share it with the world. Experiment with different clips and loop lengths to achieve some truly unique visual effects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Capcut tips and tricks.